Hey guys, I've got a portable handheld garment steamer to look at. It's from Pictek and it features a 60 to 80 second heat up time. This is the Pictek Portable Handheld Steamer. I'm hoping to take this back to my dorm to use because I do have a lot of wrinkled clothes and no one I live with seems to have an iron. I'd really like to make my clothes wrinkle free and even potentially, clean them better and have a nicer wardrobe. This device comes with a carrying bag that has one attachment. You place it onto the top and clicks on. It also features an 8-foot cord, which is very handy, just in case your outlet's really far away and you need to go, and it's actually your closest one, and you need to go steam your clothes. It's very convenient, actually. It has an auto shut-off for safety, which is great, just in case you leave it there and you forget about it, it'll automatically shut off. And all of the water you fill in takes about 6 to 8 minutes to fully use up. So I'm going to fill this up and show you how it's done. Alright, so I'm going to fill it up full of water, to the fill line at least. Alright, and there it has a max line on the device, and you can see it right here. And so I'm going to put this on. You will see that there's a lock and unlock button. You will have to put your little thing right here in the lock and then twist it in so it's fully locked in. There we go, it is locked. Now I will turn it on. Oh wait, I need to plug it in. So as I put water in it and started it up, it took very little time for it to fully begin steaming. And as you could tell, there's a lot of steam coming out of this little device. So I'm going to steam my pillow pet just to get rid of some dust and germs that, I don't want on my face when I use it. So make sure you do keep it at a 45 or upright angle. Don't put it all the way down, that is not good. And steam. Now I have this attachment on here for a brush, so I'm going to brush it as well. You could take that off, but steaming it, getting rid of all that bad stuff from my closet. It's very easy to use, very lightweight as well, which is nice. You don't want something big and clunky as you're trying to steam a piece of clothing quickly so you can wear it. This is turning out really well. Looking good. Alright, so I just steamed my pillow pet for a nice germ-free, odor-free pillow. So I'm going to switch to some clothes that I think I need to get some wrinkles out of. Alright, so I'm going to switch to some t-shirts that I enjoy wearing, but they're a bit wrinkled. So let's get those up. Alrighty. So I do not need this attachment. So I just took the attachment off and I am going to steam my shirt. It's wrinkled at the bottom and I was planning on wearing this tonight, so let's see what happens. Can move to the back, already looking a lot better. Got some lines there, hoping to get them out. Remember, don't hold it sideways, only at a 45-degree angle or straight up and down. So now I'm going to switch to a cotton blouse that I got wrinkled up in my suitcase as I was moving. Alright. Get this bad boy done. Already looking a lot better. Alright, so I am all done now. As you can tell, there is quite a difference. I don't have any wrinkles anymore. This device is really, really great, especially the fact I can get rid of odors, germs, more than just wrinkles actually, which is awesome. This is a very handy steamer, which is something I recommend getting. Please be sure to check the description below to find out more about this product and find our social media links. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and keep your likes and comments coming. Thanks for watching.